Hello everybody, this is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this image for a very long time ago. Okay, I want to try draw watercolor on this, and I find this image that made a pencil drawing type image. This is this. Well, let's get started. Okay, I'm gonna move this layer in between these two, and I'm gonna change the blend mode of this pencil drawing type, normal to darken, and just leave the opacity 100%, and I'm gonna tone this one, base image, tone down to about 40% or so. Now I'm going to draw on this layer from skin tone as always. Okay, go from highlight side with watercolor brush, wash flat, water flow about 50, and not that big size because of the highlight is not that big. So I'm going to draw on this with watercolor brush first. It's hard to see. Can you guys see it? Turn this one off. You see just a touch. Real slight highlight. And okay, I'm going to open it up again. Turn it up. Then this is the highest light here, and also around here too. Make a little more small. Highest light. Then now, highlight side is a little more darken and a little more bigger. Now probably you see easier. Okay, about here. Now I forgot here too. Highest light here is more big. Touch shadow. Okay, and I'm going to change the brush to round detail. Touch shadow, I can see. Okay, now I'm going to blend with water. Now no color, but water. I use the water from small area. So go smaller, and now it's blending. Make it a little more bigger. Touch small. And change wash flat. Can go bigger. Okay, I'm going to use turn this one on first. Use the eraser tool to erase this chin lines. Okay, now blend some more. Use the small round detail brush to blend around here. And I'm going to draw some shadow here, but I'm going to draw it first. Okay. Now I'm going to draw on hair. I'm going to see this image So I'm gonna pass it up to 100, just checking. Then this pencil drawing image go down to 50% or so, and you see more clear. There's lots of colors in her face, hair. This is yellowish, and this is gold, more. Much like gold here, then the browns and touch bluer highlight area. Okay, now I'm gonna add layer for hair. Now go with this brush and put goldish color first on here. Now a little bit bigger and a little more orangish tone, this much. Then I'm going to base image, tone really down, then put on this hair layer. Now I'm going to add orange, more orange. Turn this one down. Now let's see, check, then add some more. Orange. Now I go brown on this hair. Okay, turn this from light side. Now I'm going to add some highlight, which is about this area. This one does have some light kind of bluer color on touch. Okay, now one detail, same, touch small, just a touch more. Okay, I'm gonna add, I don't see much. Oh yeah, I see some. Maybe I should use the eraser tool to make a highlight, huh? No, I don't know, I just want to try. So I have more experience. But try this time anyway. Okay, now I'm going to blend some with water. Okay, now once dried, then I'm gonna add real dark area with basic watercolor brush. Now I'm gonna add some more And here, turn this one down. Okay, now I'm gonna add some water to blend in. Okay, now almost done for hair. Then maybe add some shadow on the skin. Yeah, around here. So this is that again. I forgot to record my video. This is the last image I got. Now I can't do it back. I'm going back. This is the line image. I'm gonna explain to you guys. No, it's darkened. It's normal. Okay, this is the line image I got, and I create empty mask on this. So mask is this. I only get these lines of the face and shoulder lines. That's all I used from this pencil drawing type fine edge layer. And this is the hard light of the hair. I changed the blend mode to hard light and opacity 77 now. This is the one I used from my watercolor drawing, and also skin tone. Oops, I'm gonna change this opacity, mask density 100%, opacity goes to, oh, this is fine, but that goes darken. Okay, blend mode is darken on this pencil drawing. Now again, this is the hair. I use for 77% hard light blend mode. Then this is skin color, watercolor, 100% opacity, and just normal I used. This is it. Then this is the background. I just paint on this layer. Is this. Then what you see is this is a mask. I made a create empty mask of this original photo image to make a mask. Then opacity 100%. I only use these images. Then I open that to show the background. That's that I painted. Okay, I'm gonna go turn these off. I show you each one. Okay, this is the line image. From this, I use this much. Then next one, I'm going to turn this one off. This is the hair. Opacity 77%. And this one is next on. This is the skin tone. Then when I show this is the drawing, the painting, watercolor paint. Then this one is background. I add. Then use last base image from photograph to make. This is the result for today. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you again watching my video, and I really appreciate support. Have a nice day, guys, and see you next time. Bye now. Ciao.